Hey everybody, this is Alex Merced from alexmercedcoder.com. And basically, this is the next video in my video on object-oriented programming in Go. And in the last video, what we did is in the last couple videos, we created two structs, human and alien, with different properties. And then we created a method called greet that humans and aliens can use. And we see it used down here. Now, the next step to be really able to work and have sort of that class type feel is we need to create an interface, which won't change things much in the beginning. So basically, the way an interface gets created is I'm going to say, I'm going to create a new type. It's going to be called being, like a sentient being. So humans and aliens are both sentient beings. And I'm not saying struct, it's going to be called an interface, not a struct. And this is different than like an interface in TypeScript or other languages. With an interface is in Go, it's a bundle of functions. It's saying, okay, any type that's a struct that uses these functions can be of type being. So the only function I have right now is greet. Okay, so the only thing I can assign to being a being is anything that actually uses this greet function. Now humans and aliens both have the greet function because see, we made one for human and we made one for alien. Neat. So now I can be like, now I can actually type Alex as a being, and I can assign to this new being of Alex a human, because that qualifies to be within the type being because it has the greet function. And same thing with Zod, because aliens also have the greet function. And this doesn't really change anything at all because the code pretty much runs the same way it did before. So if I do this, it's just, yeah, it works the same way. Where this becomes useful is if I wanted to create a function that takes both humans and aliens as a parameter. Because usually when you make a function, so func, we'll say, print stats. Okay, if I were to sit there and say a parameter, I would have to be like, h human. And then I have to make another version of print stats that takes a alien, and then I'm writing it twice, or I might not even be able to rewrite the function a second time. So, but what I can do instead is say it takes, b, which is a being. So any type of variable that is of type being, which could be a human or an alien, can now use this function. I can now pass into this function. So if I do that, and then just say this, all this does is print b. Okay, now I can do this. I can do Alex. Well, actually, this would just be print stats, and then I pass in Alex. Then I do print stats, and this is Zod. And since they both qualify for being being because they both have use of the function greet, I am now able to both print the thing out, and I can actually make use of the greet function. So then I can do b.greet and use that function inside there. So I don't need these two lines with the greet. So I can delete these two lines right here. So if I run this code now, let's see, do I have any syntax errors? I think I'm good. Yep. So there, the first it runs print stats for Alex. So it actually prints out the object of Alex and then runs the greet function for Alex. And so I'm able to use both, even though they're both of two different types, human and alien, because they're both of the interface being. So it allows me to create multiple types. You create a function that can handle all those types as long as they basically can be implemented in interface. So that's what interfaces are for. So basically, this is the end of the video. The only other thing to say, I'll say in the next one. So have a good one. I will do some more in the next one. Ciao. Alex Merced from alexmercedcoder.com.